Hello everyone. Welcome to PA Wealth and Investment Services Group. We are into equities, mutual funds, insurance and other investment services. You are always welcome to contact us. Call or WhatsApp 9988275566 to know more. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. Today we will talk about Balrampur Chini Mills Limited. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited is the second largest sugar manufacturing company in India with a significant strength in the manufacture of downstream products like power, cogeneration, and ethanol. The company was incorporated in 1975 as a wholly owned subsidiary company of Balrampur Sugar Company Limited, subsequently changing its name to Balrampur Commercial Enterprises Limited. Balrampur Commercial Enterprises Limited transferred the land, building, other assets as well as the entire staff of its Balrampur Sugar Factory with effect from the 1st of July 1975 to Balrampur Chini Mills Limited. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited ceased to be a subsidiary of Balrampur Commercial Enterprises Limited with effect from the 25th of June 1979 and its shares listed on the Calcutta Stock Exchange (CSE) in 1979. The company possesses a cane crushing capacity of 76,500 tons per day, distillery capacity of 520 kiloliters per day and saleable cogeneration capacity of 163.70 megawatts. Shareholding pattern. Shareholding of mutual funds and FPI increased over the last 10 years. The mutual fund shareholding increased from 3.5% to 12.6% over last 10 years. On the other hand, the shareholding of foreign portfolio investors increased from 12.90% to 21.57%. However, the shareholding of Indian promoters has remained almost same. Executive board members of the company. Mr. Sumit Mazumdar, Chairman and Independent Director. Mr. Sumit Mazumdar is an MBA graduate. He was appointed as the President of Confederation of Indian Industry for 2015-16 and also is associated with many other companies. Mr. Vivek Saravgi, Managing Director. Vivek Saravgi is a former president of the Indian Sugar Mills Association. He was a committee member of FICCI and the Indian Chamber of Commerce in Kolkata. Shri Saravgi is a commerce graduate. Under his stewardship, the company has grown rapidly through organic and inorganic means. This has helped Balrampur Chini Mills Limited emerge as a leader in the Indian sugar industry. Products. Sugar. Here you can see raw sugar production process from sugarcane. Ethanol. Molasses. Alcohol. Bagasse power. Indian sugar industry. Employees over 5 lakh farmers. It employs over 5 lakh farmers directly and acts as a livelihood for about 50 million sugarcane cultivators, supporting over 12% of the rural population directly or indirectly. Major consumer of sugar. Around 70% of the global production in the last sugar season came from the top 10 producers. India, Brazil, Thailand, China, the US, Mexico, Russia, Pakistan, France, Australia. Consumption increased by an annual rate of 2.01% between 2001 to 2018, from 1.2 billion tons to 1.7 billion tons. This trend in consumption, however, has slowed to 0.8% in the latter half of the decade 2016 to 2018, primarily due to the debate on concerns relating to health. Sugar production in India. India's sugar production rose 13% till the 15th of June 2021, i.e. in 2020-21 marketing year at 306.65 lakh tons on higher sugarcane production, according to trade data. UP and Maharashtra are the major sugar producing states in the country, contributing around 70% of the total production. This is because the rainfall and weather conditions in these states are suitable for sugarcane crops. As a result, most of the farmers are engaged in production of sugarcane in these states. Other major players in Indian sugar industry. Shri Renuka Sugars, Eid Parry Limited, Dalmia Bharat Sugar, Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. Here are the revenue segments of Balrampur Chini Mills. Segment performance of Balrampur Chini Mills. Distillery segment revenue contributed 14% of the total company revenue. Profit contribution of distillery segment is around 51% for financial year 2021. The contribution from distillery segment increased because of more focus on ethanol from B-heavy molasses. Sugar segment overview of the company. Price of sugar commodity. In the last 8 to 9 months, the global sugar prices went up by almost 60% to 65%. Price of sugar touched the lowest point on the 20th of April 27 when it touched 9 cents per lb, and then it went up to 19 cents per lb on the 21st of February 22. Distillery segment overview of the company. Financial parameters of Balrampur Chini Mills. The profit of sugar companies mainly depends upon the raw material prices and the realization rate, as the raw material prices are fixed by the center and state government. As a result, various government policies affects the performance of sugar companies. In financial year 2014, the company registered a reduction of 18.48% in gross revenue owing to decline in sugar sales in quantity and lower realizations. Surplus sugar stocks, following the withdrawal of the release mechanism, resulted in a decline in sugar realizations to 28 rupees per kilogram before recovering to 32 rupees per kilogram in March 2014. In financial year 2015, the company registered a growth of 12% in gross revenues. The growth was mainly due to higher sales volume of sugar. In financial year 2018, the company reported a decline in its net profit due to lower sugar realizations and write-down of inventory below its cost of production. In financial year 2020, company reported higher revenue by 10% to rupees 4,741 crore on account of higher volumes and realization. Sugar recovery for the year stood at 11.44% as compared to 11.58% in previous year. The company's distillery segment performed well during the year. In financial year 2021, the company saw lower sugar production in the current crushing season due to higher diversion of B-heavy molasses route. Also adversely impacted by lower sugarcane yield due to red rot disease in the company's catchment area. Low sugar demand in financial year 2021 also affected the sugar realization. On the other hand, the revenues from distillery segment was higher due to higher volumes of B-heavy ethanol. Further, the realization in cogeneration segment reduced because of reduced tariff by Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission. Growth opportunities for Balrampur Chini Mills. Established market position. Balrampur Chini Mills is the second largest player in terms of scale on a pan-India basis. It has 10 sugar factories, 8 in eastern UP and 2 in central UP, and being present in UP, has access to a larger North India market. Superior and improving operating efficiencies. Company's superior operating efficiencies emanate from its fully integrated nature of operations, increasing contribution to profitability from higher margin distillery segment, better sugar recovery rates and higher capacity utilization leading to better absorption of fixed costs. Mandatory ethanol blending program of the government driving ethanol offtake. The new government policy of ethanol blending is key opportunity for the company. In addition for this, the company has planned the capex which will be profitable in future. Comfortable financial risk profile. Low long-term debt, strong debt protection metrics and healthy liquidity are the basic measures to check the company's financial risk profile. Absence of any significant debt-funded capex since fiscal 2008 and continuous debt repayment has resulted in a decline in the term debt levels of the company, which is estimated at below 400 crore rupees in March 2021. That's it for today. To read about Balrampur Chini Mills Limited in detail, visit our blog, link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe our channel for latest updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.